Hello, good morning, friend. Today I'm going to explain about one important problem which is asked by my student. The problem is based on the solution chapter. So let us see, student, that how we will be able to solve this. So how many ml of the 0.1 molar HCl is required to react completely with 1 gram mixture of Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 containing equal molar amount of both. Okay. Dear student, first of all, you should know that is what we have to do in this problem. Okay. And what is the concept behind this problem. So this is the how many ml of 0.1 molar HCl required to react completely means to total neutralization reaction with 1.0 gram of Na2CO3 plus NaHCO3 containing equal molar amount of both. Dear student, so that is what is the concept here. Firstly, you try to understand here solution with the concept is saying that is number of equivalent, how much they have given the volume in the 0.1 molar. Okay, so number of, here you can say number of milli equivalent or ml, because volume is ml, number of ml equivalent, that is better you can write, student, that is milli equivalent, number of milli equivalent of what, student? HCl. It is reacting with what, student? Number of milli equivalent of what? Number of equivalent of what? Na2CO3 plus number of milli equivalent number of milli equivalent of what? NaHCO3. This concept we have to apply. So if you are able to apply this number of milli equivalent of HCl equal to number of milli equivalent of the Na2CO3 plus number of milli equivalent of NaHCO3, you will be able to get how many ml of 0 point. So here, from here you will be able to get the volume. Dear friend, first of all, let us go according to question. Okay, what the question is saying according to question. So when you are going to according to question, they are saying react completely with 1 gram mixture of. Okay, so they are saying that is mass of what, student? Na2CO3, mass of Na2CO3 plus mass of what, student? NaHCO3, that is total mass. They are saying that is how much? 1 gram. Okay, student, another thing, N is equal to what is given mass upon what, student? Given mass upon molar mass. So okay, given mass upon molar mass. So mass is equal to what we can write, student? N into M from this equation, molarity. So mass equal to N into M. Now what they are saying is, student, that is equimolar mixture. They are saying that is they both contain equimolar mixture. Equimolar mixture means number of mole is constant. So here we can write N, okay, N into M, molar mass Na2CO3 plus here we can write N into M, NaHCO3. NaHCO3. In the same problem you try to understand one more thing. Here we are considering equimolar mixture. Okay, here better we are removing the question, then I am trying to explain here. What is meaning of equimolar mixture, student? Equimolar mixture. Equimolar equal to what? Number of mole is same. Okay. A number of mole is same means what? N. We can write Na2CO3 equal to what? NaHCO3. Here we are considering, suppose this is equimolar mixture is for both the cases, that is A. So when you are going both the cases A, so where we can write A MNA2CO3, molar mass of Na2CO3 student, this is how much? 108. You can calculate. Plus if you are calculating N, that is again A, plus molar mass of NaHCO3, how much student? That is, it is 84. A into 84 equal to how much student? That is 1 gram. 1 gram. Now this is, if you want to add 108, how much student? If you add 108 plus 84A equal to how much? 1. So here is, it is coming 192A. 192A equal to 1. So A equal to how much will come student? 1 upon 192. Okay, A upon 192. Now you divide it student. If you are dividing it, it is coming student, if you want to divide, it is coming 5.2 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, this is the moles of A. A is what? Equimolar. So moles of, if you talk about moles of A is how much? 5.2 into 10 power minus 3 per liter. Suppose it is per liter. Okay, molarity is there. Now they are asking in the question, they are asking, that is, how many ml of 0.1 molar is required? Means that is volume of HCl is given in the milliliter. So we have to convert this all. This is number of mole is there. Number of moles means you got is the number of mole per liter. Okay, number of mole per liter volume you are getting. So we have to convert into what student? We have to convert into the milliliter. Okay, so milliliter, to convert in milliliter we have to multiply by 1000. Dear student, what is the neutrality reaction they are saying? So normality is equal to number of gram equivalent, divided by volume in liter. Okay, number of gram equivalent when you talk about student, so N into what? Volume in liter. N student, if you want to N equal to, we have already studied student in the previous lectures. What we have to study student? N equal to, we know since normality equal to N factor into molarity. So here N, we can write N into M into volume. Okay, so volume they are asking in the, how much student? Volume in ml, they are asking in ml. So what will ml means? What we have to do student? We have to multiply by 1000. So let us see. The same I am trying to frame the for this neutrality reaction. So we can write N, okay, into M into V. What student? HCl is equal to N into M into V. What? Na2CO3 plus, same we can apply N into M into V, NaHCO3. Now student, that is so many things you understood from the question. So what is the N factor for Na2CO3 student? How much is there? That is 2. Number of molarity means number of mole per liter of volume. So here you got how much student? 5.2. This is 5.2 into volume into 10 power minus 3, and this is per liter. So we want to calculate in the milliliter. So multiply by 1000. Similarly, here is N factor for NaHCO3 student. How much? This is 1. Multiply by 5.2 into 10 power minus 3. Again volume in liters. So we are multiplying by 1000 because they are asking how many ml. So N, if we are N for HCl is how much student? 1 for HCl. Molarity they have given student 0.1 and volume they are asking. You can solve this problem. This 1000, this 10 power minus 3 and these two, this is cancel out. So what is being left student? 0.1 into V is equal to what? If you multiply this student, how much will get? 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Okay, so it is coming 10.52. 5.26 is there, student. Okay, so 2 to the 4, 5 to the 10, 10 power 10.4 plus here is 5.2. If you want to calculate, student, 0.1 into V equal to, if you add it out, it is coming, how much here we can add it? So 10.4 plus 5.2, so this is 6 and this is 5, 15.6, this is 15.6. so V is equal to, student, how much will come? 15.6 upon 0.1, so how much is coming, student? 156. Okay, and this is coming in the ml. So volume of HCl is required. Here we can write, student, our final answer. So therefore volume of HCl required, volume of HCl required in ml, how much is coming, student? 156 milliliter. I taken approx, student. So when you are going through the option, you will be able to get the option. You check which number option is there, student. Thank you so much for watching, students.